Hey everyone, today let's talk about Tajima DG ML by Pulse, one of the best embroidery software tools in the market. Whether you're running a business or designing for fun, this software has everything you need. Here's a quick overview of its features. Number 1, user-friendly interface, easy to navigate even for beginners. Number 2, advanced stitch options, offers a variety of stitch types like satin, fill, and more for professional grade embroidery. Number 3, vector-based design tools, perfect for creating detailed and scalable designs. Before 3D preview. See how your designs will look before stitching. Number 5, seamless integration with Tajima Machines, optimized for high-quality embroidery results. Number 6, cloud storage and sharing, save and access your designs from anywhere. These features make it versatile and efficient for creating custom embroidery designs. Pricing varies depending on the version you choose. The basic version starts at around $1,200, and the advanced versions can go up to $4,000 or more. It's a bit of an investment, but for professionals, it's totally worth it. So that's a quick look at Tajima DG ML by Pulse. It's powerful, reliable, and packed with features to take your embroidery to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.